Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I name myself the great Johnsonkeyz. So today I want to teach you a very nice piano lick you can use and the chord to use on the left hand. So I'll be in the key of F. So this will take you through your 6-2-5-1. So it sounds like this. So it takes you from your 6-5-1 to your 4. So right, so what's the lick here? So on the right I'm the key of F. So on the right I have my 2 3 5 6 7 5 6 5 3 2 5. Then I slow 2 to 3 to 4, back to 3 to 2 to 1 to flat 7 to 1 to flat 7 back to 6. So all while I'm doing that, the left hand is going 6, then which is D minor 7, D F A C, then 5 which is F minor C minor 7, right? Then to C diminished 7 for your 1, then to your F B flat major 7, which is 4. Right, so it goes baby papa. So one more time. So fast. So don't forget to follow me for more. Don't forget to get my piano course. The link to get them will be on the comment section to learn more. God bless you. Bye. Johnsonkeyz.